Alright, go ahead and get started on your problem on the board. Kennedy's already going. You need some help, Trevor? Here, I'll wind these up while you're working on your board, the problem, okay? Do you need me to read yours, Trevor? What? You got it? Alright, Julia. Remember those clue words we were talking about the other day? You're looking for those clue words. Are you adding or subtracting? Okay. So are you adding or subtracting, Julia? Adding. Okay, what two numbers are you adding?
6 and 9.
Alright, go ahead and show me on the board. There's room for you there. Good job, Trevor. Good job, Kennedy. The marker's kind of running out of ink, isn't it?
Wouldn't this be thousands? Because you can't have too many numbers.
Hold on. You need 7 times 4 and 7 times 4. Where's that 2 go? Not up there, because we don't have any
Oh,
units
yeah.
there. What'd you get, Trevor? You have 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. High five. What do you got, Julia? 6 plus 9? 15. Good. High five. Are you cold?
2,620.
This would be, one would be 23, one would be 7 times 3.
21.
So it would be 21 right there. Now re-add that, and then you're right. Okay, and then work on that one. I'm gonna move this real quick. There you go. Alright, go ahead and solve that fraction. Julia, I'm gonna have you slide over in this chair over here. Okay? Because I'm gonna be working with you and Trevor on the same thing. Okay? Not 2 fours.
3 fours.
There you go. Alright. Trevor and Julia, you guys are gonna get to use these today. Okay, we're gonna do it 4 minutes. Trevor, do you want addition or subtraction?
Addition.
You want addition? Okay. Kennedy, you'll get to use these tomorrow, okay? Alright, go ahead and pick whatever one you want, Kennedy, addition or subtraction. So Julia, we do this to get into our clubs, okay? You're doing as many as you can in 4 minutes. With these, you hit them. If it turns red, it's wrong. If it turns green, oops. If it turns green, it's right, okay? Try to do it without making the noise. There we go. That's how these work. Trevor, you wanna get yours going so it doesn't make any noise? Alright, Trevor, you are working for the 60 club. Kennedy, you are working
40.
140. Okay. Julia, we're gonna get you in a club today. Ready? Go ahead. going, Trevor. Keep going. I'm sorry, I was probably distracting you. I'm sorry. Trevor, use your touch dots. I know they took them away, but that's okay, you can still use them. There you go.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124,
You're plus, Trevor. 6 plus 9. There you go. 'Good job. Keep that pace. Good job, Julia. Alright, go ahead and count them up. Trevor, you the ones who did it. Hey, you did pretty good, Trevor. These are the ones you didn't do, Julia. Okay. Go ahead and count the ones up that you did do. We won't get you a clip today, but we'll do it tomorrow, okay?
You missed fun. We got like iPads. Sucker. I didn't miss you. I didn't miss you other three. I got to a different class. You get to go somewhere else now, don't you? We're mixing it all up.
Good job, Trevor. 19. Not bad for having a couple days off school.
41.
41. Alright, Julia, let's remember that. All that is like, that we remember, that we remember to make you a club, okay? I can take this down here. Thank you, Trevor.
Does it work on word papers too?
Nope, just this kind of paper.
77.
77, good job, Kennedy. Alright, go ahead and put those back in there. Alright, Kennedy, I'm gonna get you started first, okay, cause you know what you're doing, ma'am. Thank you, Trevor. Alright, Kennedy, you are skip counting by 3s instead of 2s this time, okay? So we're doing all three, so this one would be three, skip counting by threes, how many times? There you go, alright, good. Alright, Jalea and Trevor, we're starting something different today, okay? Last time we talked about, clue words that helped us add and subtract, right? Just about story problems.
Okay.
Trevor, remember that? Oh, we're gonna give you your penny to get those problems done. You doing that, okay? Trevor, do you remember talking about adding and subtracting our clue words? Okay, today we're gonna do it with like fractions and wholes and parts, okay? So, today we're gonna listen for the clue words in all and the rest, okay? These clues can help us decide if we are looking for a part of something or a whole of something. So right here I have these little pizza slices, okay? These are our parts, okay? I have one for each of you. And then this whole plate is our whole, okay? So when we use these, we'll probably subtract, okay? Or when we were adding, we'll probably use this. We will add our parts into this to make one whole thing, okay? So anytime our problem says in all, what do you think we're gonna do? Trevor, you tired? Okay, let's focus, buddy. I know we had yesterday off, but, okay, so when we add, in our story problem, if we hear the words in all, we're gonna add, okay? If we have to know the rest, what are we gonna do? We're looking for the rest. So if we have 2 people and 6 people, and we wanna figure out 2 people had pizza and we wanna figure out how many other people had ice cream, what are we gonna do? Add or subtract? Subtract. Alright, so Trevor, what are we doing if our story problem says in all? And what are we doing if our story problem says the rest?
Subtract.
Okay, so right here I have a story problem. Okay, you can do this. I'll do this one first, okay? So it's this one right here. It says there are 6 kids at the party. 2 ate cake. The rest ate ice cream. How many kids ate ice cream? So if we use our little pizza slices right here, okay? We wanna count out how many kids are there total, or how many kids are at the party? Trevor, how many kids are at the party? What is it right there?
There are 6 at the party.
Yep, so how many are at the party? How many total? 6, so we're gonna get our 6 slices, okay? So I got my 6 slices right here. Then it says, 2 of them ate cake, right? So here's our 2 that ate cake. It says the rest of them ate ice cream. So, go ahead and circle our clue word. What's our clue word? Down the bottom chart. What's our clue word? The rest, okay? So does that mean we're looking for all together or whole, or are we looking for part of it? Are we looking for everybody who ate at the party, or are we looking for part of?
Part.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Add or subtract? Subtract, okay? So in those little boxes there, we have 2, which is some of them, but in all there were 6 total. So we have to figure out what the rest is. So how many is the rest? What do we have right here? Not 6. How many are left over here? Trevor, how many are left over here? 4. Okay, so that's what we're gonna put in the rest box. Okay, go ahead and turn the page. We'll do one more together, or a couple more together, okay?
Wait, this has Jalea.
Oh, whoops, go ahead and switch packets. I gave you the wrong packet. Good job, Kennedy. Alright, go ahead and turn the page. Trevor, don't erase it, it's fine. You did the exact same thing you did. Oh, the page. Alright, Jalea, go ahead and read that story problem out loud. This one right here.
I want to
Trevor can hear you too.
My mom baked 10 cookies. My brother ate 6. I ate the rest. I ate the rest. How many cookies did I eat?
So what's our clue word? In all or the rest?
The rest.
The rest, so what are we gonna, so go ahead and circle the rest. Trevor, go ahead and circle the rest. Right here. Okay, so are we looking for all together or are we looking for parts of it? Trevor? Are we looking for it all together or are we looking for parts of it? Alright, so are we gonna add or subtract? Julia, are we gonna add or subtract? Subtract, okay.
Subtract.
So in that sum box, what are you gonna write?
10.
So that would be all together, right? She baked 10 cookies.
6.
Yep, so part of ours would be 6. And then
the
our
rest-
in all would be what? Oh no, Trevor, you're right, grab the rest.
No.
Yep, cause the ice cream, I made for, wait, you're on the wrong one. Oh, why did you skip that? Oh yeah, yours is different. So yeah, Trevor, you're right, buddy. So you had the ice cream, man had 4 ice cream sandwiches and 6 popsicles. How many trees did you have in all? So you're right, you have in all, you're looking for a whole, then what are you gonna do? Alright, Julia, where are you adding cookies? How many in all were there?
10.
So we're gonna put 10 in our in all, right?
Wait,
Trevor,
what
how
about
many?
the rest?
So what's left? That's why we're subtracting, right? So we have 10 minus 6 is?
4.
4, there you go. So the rest of them ate.
4.
There you go. Alright, go ahead and see if you can do that one by yourself.
Okay.
Trevor, good handwriting, buddy. So Trevor, you have, Brandy has 6 cats. 3 of them are yellow. The rest of them are brown. How many cats are brown? So good, you found the rest. Good, you're finding part of it, right? So you're subtracting. Good job. So how many cats do you have in all? Trevor? So how many cats do we have all together? How many? Tell me.
No, it said
Yep, but it's asking us how many in all do we have together? Or we can do it this way, okay? You have 3 of them are yellow. So is that some of them? Yep, so we're gonna write what right there in the sum box?
3.
3, good. Can you erase that please and write a 3? Alright, Julia, now you have to find the numbers, okay? You have to find what numbers you're using, and you have to find if you're going to add or subtract, okay? Alright, so Trevor, we have 3 of them are yellow. We don't have the rest number, right? But we do have the in all number, which is what? How many cats are there total? Okay, so how many is the rest? How many of them are brown?
What is this one?
If you add or subtract. So is that a 3? Okay. Alright, Trevor, go ahead and see if you can do those 3 by yourself.
Like 5 right here and then 9 right here.
So there are 9 monkeys total, right, in all. 5 are in the trees, so that's good, you put some. The rest are on the ground. How many monkeys are on the ground? Yep. So what would be the rest of them? You figured that out right there. 4. Alright, you can use these if you need to, you can tear them apart and use them if you need help counting. So you got my mom, oh, this is the first one one more time. My mom baked 10 cookies. So how many cookies are there in all, Trevor?
And then minus the is 10. Then the 4 goes right here and 3 goes right here.
We have Brianna carves 3 pumpkins. So did Jack carves 4 pumpkins. How many pumpkins do they carve in all? So, in all, so what are we gonna do?
Plus.
Yep, so that means we have some and the rest, right? Cause Rihanna carved some of them, Jackie carved the rest of them, so how many do we have total? Does that make sense?
7.
Yep. So right here, we're gonna, does that make sense? If some of them are 3, the rest of them are 7, is 3 plus 7 equal 4? Julia? Okay, so Rihanna carved some of them, right? She carved 3 of them. Jackie carved the rest of them, so she carved 4 of them. So that makes sense? Rihanna carved 3, Jackie carved 4, so all together you have how many? Does that make sense? So right here, this is kind of like your sum box. This is kind of like the rest box. Oops, I moved the word upside down. And this is your in all box. Right? Cause this is how many pumpkins Rihanna carved, this is how many pumpkins Jackie carved, and then you're trying to figure out how much in all, right?
Okay.
Alright, let's look here. What is our clue word right here? Trevor. Trevor, we gotta earn that third penny somehow today, okay? You're a little distracted, okay? So which one should we be circling, not in all? Okay, so we fix that, right? We have the rest, so that means we're finding part of it. So we subtract, good. We had 6. What's that number? I can't read that number.
10.
Okay, hold on, Trevor, before you write anything. Good, you have 10 in all, right? Because she baked 10 cookies. Some of them were 6. Good, 4, okay? Nicole holds 5 flowers. 2 are yellow, the rest are red. How many are red? So we have 2, right? Are they yellow? Good. So we had 5 in all. 3, good. All right. In all, plus. Awesome. All right, Trevor, now you're gonna work on what Jalea was working, okay? Now you get to find the numbers, okay? So you have to find the numbers that we're using. I want you to circle them in here, okay? So it says Carl ate 7 peanuts, good, at the baseball game. Jan ate 4 peanuts. How many peanuts did they eat in all? Good. Trevor, you got the hang of this. Good job, buddy. How you doing, Kennedy?
Good.
Skip counting by 3s is pretty easy, right? Trevor, you finish that last one, you can earn your last penny, okay? Good work, Julia. Alright, you finish up that page and then you're done, okay?
Okay.
I think you're starting to get the hang of it. I guess we really didn't need these pizza slices, did we? You guys can just do it in your head. Make sure you're circling the numbers, Julia, so I know what numbers you're using, okay? Trevor, can you erase that and use your good handwriting, please? So Trevor, what is our clue word in that last one?
3.
No, what's our clue word to let us know if we're gonna add or subtract? Tell me.
Don't ask.
Good. Good. All right, you can go grab a toy for 2 minutes, Trevor. Julia, finish that last one, and you may go.
Okay.
Kennedy, finish up that last one that you're on, all right?
Done.
Done? Awesome. Awesome.